Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one interesting tool. I think most of you may not be aware of it. It is called This Person Does Not Exist. So what it does is it uses AI to generate different faces. So these are different combination of facial features using which it generate different faces, and such a person doesn't exist in the world. So this can be used in your presentations or where you don't want to put the actual photo of that person, but it looks very realistic. In this way, you will be able to generate many faces. So all you have to do is you just have to come to the site called This Person Doesn't Exist, and it will generate a random face. So now if you see here, this is a random face that it has generated. So such a person never existed, or it doesn't exist. So if I click on refresh image, it will again generate another image. If you see here, so this can be used for generation of fake portraits. So these are all images that's been generated. You can use these images for your website or your needs. So let me generate 5 more to show you. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, this is 5. So this is an interesting tool. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.